How to switch TikTok account from private to public. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about switching your TikTok account from private to public. So here's how you can do that. First of all, go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on your profile page from the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see that my account is private and it is displaying private account in the top that is below my name. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and go to settings and privacy. From this page, go to privacy option that is between account and security and permissions. You will see the option of private account that is under discoverability. And you can see the indication that with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos and see all the activity that you do on TikTok. Your existing followers won't be affected. Now, if you no longer want your account to be private, go ahead and toggle this option, and a menu will pop up asking you to switch to public account. Tap on switch, which is highlighted in red color to confirm, and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can go ahead and switch TikTok account from private to public. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.